welcome to the Dew-Stanley's on tour day 3. We are just leaving port at the moment, and Cathy is on helm.
So yesterday we sailed into Corfu. We then went for a walk. So we went through Old Town, Corfu. We had a delightful glass of wine up on the square while we were people watching, and that was concluded by a lovely meal at Rex last night, of which was delicious, really good food and wine, and now we're back on board.
So today we've just left Mandrake Port, which sits at the base of the Citadel, the large fortress in Corfu, which has been our home base for the last couple of years. And today we're just going down the coast to Gouvier. We're just passing the ferry port now, where the cruise liners are, and we're going into Gouvier to pick up some spares, so the boys can enjoy the convenience of the swimming pool and various restaurants, and a lovely evening meal in one of our favourite spots this evening in Gouvier. So that's what we're doing today. No wind, unfortunately, so it's a little tootle down under engine, and but it is a glorious day for sunbathing by the We are sailing past the Durrell's house that you might recognise from the television programme that's recently been very successful globally. It's actually driving loads and loads of people to come here to Corfu, and we'll show you it as we go past, but we're literally just sailing straight past probably one of the most iconic landmarks that I know in the area, and it is stunning. So on a clear day like today, where the sun is shining, it's beautifully warm, and the sea is so calm. Although it's a bit sad, we're not actually under sail. We're hoping tomorrow will be better. We're going to head down to Paxos tomorrow under sail, weather permitting. You might recognise where they put the table and chairs in the water and sat and had their food, their meal outside the Durrell's house. There's a boat there, a yacht that is just anchored off, and just to the left hand side of it is the Durrell's house. Did you watch it?
I did. Did you?
No. I did. That's a fib. That is a fib. I did watch it. I thought it was really good.
It's a good programme.
It was. And they saved lots of animals.
They did, and then he went to open, the true story is he went to open a zoo on Jersey.
On Jersey? A place we need to visit. We shall sail there soon.
Watch out, Margaret.
Did you say, do you want to go?
Yeah.
I would love to. My balance doesn't allow me to stand. Well, either that or my large tummy.